Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I would like to show you how to remove a table without deleting the text inside the table in Microsoft Word. So let us dive in. We're in Microsoft Word and here's my table. You can see there's some text over here, and what I'd like to do is on the top left there is a icon that you can click on. You're going to select the entire table. As you go up to the ribbon, you will see a few options and you will look for layout. Now on the right hand side you will see convert to text. You want to click on this, and here you have 4 options. You have paragraph marks, tabs, commas, and then other, which means you can enter whatever you want in here. So paragraph marks, that's what it looks like. You can also go ahead and use the tabs, and that's what that looks like. You can go ahead, use the commas, that's what that looks like. And then you can enter in whatever else you want in there, and it's a single symbol that you can put in there, so 1 character. And tap on OK, and that's what that looks like. And now it is in text form and the table is being removed. If you like this video, drop us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Peace out!